Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if Bluetooth not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just open your settings, and in the settings you need to find Bluetooth. So just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can, if you have problems with some connecting to some special device, just try to unpair your devices and pair again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here download and install, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just tap on reset all settings. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.